What is Softwash? Softwash is a revolutionary dry-to-dry cleaning solution that is more effective, profitable and environmental friendly. So with our Softwash solution, we can clean all kinds of garments that we normally clean in a dry cleaning solution. But also we can clean garments with viscose, acetate, silk, velvet, linen. We can even clean very delicate fibers with color bleeding issues. Let's first speak about the equipment and its installation. We need a special equipped washer with connection to water heater and a water softener. Specific dosing pumps have to connect the washer with the special detergent that keeps the fiber in a good shape during the whole process. In our Softwash package, we have, of course, a pre-spotting table in order to remove the stain. We have here butter stain and here coffee stain. So I put the product on the coffee stain, then I take the brush. What is important is that the product penetrates into the fibers. If I brush too much the wool fibers, I can, of course, damage it. So it's better to do like this. Then, if the stain is really heavy, what we can do also is to put some product in the other side in order to be sure that the product penetrates into the fibers. Now, I want to take care of the butter stain, so I'm going to use Wax-X products, and I do exactly the same. So now the spotting is finished. I don't need to rinse it or to dry it as you do it normally in dry cleaning. We are going to put it directly into the machine. I can load the garment up to 50%, so that means in the middle of the drum. So now I have to start the right program, and here I'm going to start a program for wool. That is here 21. The machine will take automatically the right detergent with the right dosage. Now the program is completely finished, so I have to open the door and put all the garments inside the dryer. And we have to start the appropriate program. As before it was a wool program, because we have wool garments, we are going to start a wool program for the dryer. And that program is the program number 1. So I just have to start the cycle. And the program starts. After the drying process, we finish the garment, we iron the garment in finishing equipment. So here we have, for example, a foam finisher. This foam finisher is not mandatory in our solution. This is only when you have, let's say, high productivity. And then a regular ironing table in order to reshape the garments. We have a good result with the foam finisher. Now what we can do is just the final touch-up on the ironing table in order to iron the collar, but also the sleeve, and it will be okay. So the jacket is finished. So we clean it in less than 1 hour with our Softwash solution.